Hello, in this video I will explain you how you can adjust the brightness and contrast more professionally on your pictures. So most of the people here, what we will do is just go here into image, adjustment, and click on brightness, and here we will adjust these two settings. So for example, this part of the area is very dark and we can increase the brightness like that. So now it's okay, but at the same time, we're losing a lot of details in our dog because our dog, it was already very, is white, the colors, and also is receiving a lot of light when the picture was taken. So it's very difficult to actually illuminate this part here, but at the same time without losing the details of the dog. So I would recommend you the best way, and this is very easy for beginners or for pros, is we're gonna open the picture in this way. We're gonna click on File, Open As, and here in the File tab, we're gonna click and we're gonna select Camera Raw. It doesn't matter if your picture is not Camera Raw file, it can be a JPG file at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna click here, and then as you can see, our file extension is JPG, but you can still open it with the same settings as a Camera Raw settings. So click here and we're gonna click open. Now Photoshop is gonna present us a menu like this. In this way we can adjust more settings of our picture, and the good thing about this is when we're not gonna lose all the information that we change, because all the changes that we made is gonna be saved into the file. So if we want to reset the settings, or we made a change that we don't like, we can go back and reset all the settings. So for example, here there is a lot of shadow. We want to increase the light on this shadow, but we don't want to lose the details on the dot. So we can move the setting that says shadow, and we can increase, for example, 100%. And as you can see now, we have a lot of light here. It looks more better, but at the same time, we haven't loosened any details of our dog. Now, suppose you want more clarity or more texture on the dog and everything, we can increase the textures here. And as you can see, the hair of our dog and everything, we can see with more clarity, more texture on the picture. And here we can play around with contrast. Some contrast depends what do you want, what is the effect that you want on your picture. But this is a really nice example that you can change the setting, brightness, shadows, and everything. And I would highly recommend open your picture always as a Camera Raw if you want a professional edition of your picture. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.